Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. My name is Monique. What is your name?
My name is Sahiba. Nice to meet you.
Sahiba. Very nice to meet you. It's a nice name.
Thank you. So, where are you from?
I'm from South Africa. And you?
I am from India.
Very nice.
Yeah,
And you've been living there all your life?
yes.
Okay, very nice.
So, uh, today I would like to talk to you about daily routine.
Daily routine. Okay.
Yes. Can you tell me your daily routine?
Hmm. Each day is different, so it's not
One
a
more
it's
thing.
not a routine.
One more thing. You tell me about your daily routine, and then I will tell you about my daily routine. Uh, so you pay attention to my sentences, how I speak. I speak wrong or right. If I speak wrong sentences, let me now write sentences. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Let's start.
Okay. Okay.
You tell me
Um,
firstly.
my routine is not
Mhm.
very regular. So I wake up, I get ready for the day. I start teaching on Cambly. I go
Uh-huh.
to my other job. I come back and I eat. And I'm learning another language. So then I practice my other language and then
Mhm.
do prep the rest of the day for work and then
Uh-huh.
rest.
Okay.
Yeah. And every day is different.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And what about yours?
Uh, I I get up. I get up at 5 o'clock every morning, and then I take a shower, and then I return my room. In my room, I offered my namaz and Holy Quran, and
Okay.
then yes, and then I have breakfast. After that, I ready for my work. I mean, I ready for my study.
Yes.
I
You get ready for
yes,
your study.
yes. I start. I start my study at 10 o'clock. Yes. Um, I study um, from 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Yes, and then I have lunch, and then I take a rest for a half hour, and then I drink tea. I drink tea at 5 o'clock with my family, and then I talk with my friend on the phone. Yes, and then I take dinner.
You have dinner.
Yeah, that's
Very
all.
nice. Okay. Yeah, no, your sentences were good. Um, yeah, no, they were very good. Well done.
Okay.
There's a word here and there,
Correct
but like
sentences.
everything, yeah, everything made 100% sense.
Okay. So, what's
Very
your
good.
profession?
I teach and I paint.
Painting. Me
Yes.
too. Wow. What kind of
Ooh.
painting you?
Um, what painting I do? I like painting faces and
Mhm.
abstract.
Oh, wow. I like
And you?
nature. Yes, nature.
Oh, very nice.
Yes. So, this is your mm, hobby?
Painting.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Great. So, how old are you?
I am 22.
22. So young.
And you?
I am 17.
17.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. So
Yes,
you're still in
I'm.
school?
Yes, I'm student. I am studying in 12th grade.
Okay. Yo, I can imagine that's difficult.
Yeah.
in a pandemic?
Yes, yes. I stay at my home right now. Yes. And there is the
Okay.
coronavirus right now.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Is
So,
it bad in India?
yeah, very bad. Oof.
You and your family are healthy though?
Yeah, all right.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
So, do you have any sibling?
Yes, I have one older sister.
Other? Other than?
Older sister.
Okay, older sister. Two?
Just one. We're a very small family. I have one older sister. She's 30 years old.
15?
30.
30. Okay, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, very small family.
A very
Yeah,
small family. And
my
you?
family is big. I
How many
have,
brothers and sisters?
yes, I have two older brothers and one older sister, and
Very
me.
nice. Oh, you're the youngest. You're the baby
Yes,
in the
yeah,
family.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
Very nice.
yeah. Do you live with your family right now?
No, I moved out. I'm living with a friend. She's not here. She's outside somewhere.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay. So, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. And yours?
Oh, green, pink.
Pink. Very nice.
Yeah. Yes.
I was looking at the head wrap. It looks so beautiful here. I
Yeah,
love
this is
how it
fab.
passes over. It's so nice.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
I tried I tried wrapping my hair once in a scarf. Oh, I
Uh-huh.
couldn't get it right. It kept falling everywhere. I couldn't do
Uh-huh.
it.
Oh, yeah, very difficult.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how
So,
did you learn?
I watch YouTube videos.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna try that.
Yeah. So, uh, mm, do you have, do you like any sports?
Mm, not really. Not
No?
really. I like hiking. It's
Oh,
not a
me too.
sport. And I used to play tennis, but
Mhm.
that's all.
Wow, tennis
Mm.
with your
And you?
friends?
Yes, in high school, I used to play tennis.
Oh,
Went to for tennis lessons, so it wasn't really with friends.
mm-hmm.
It was just for fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I don't like sports, any sports. Yeah,
Mm.
but sometimes I play badminton with my friends and with my
Very nice.
yeah, with my sister.
Very nice.
Yes, yes. So, do you have any question?
Any questions?
Okay.
What is the food
Mhm.
like in India?
Biryani.
Biryani, is that okay? I've had that
Yes.
once.
Sorry.
I've had biryani once.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Your favorite food?
Anything with pasta.
Pasta.
Mm.
Okay. Pizza. Do you like?
Pizza, yes, I like pizza very much.
Oh.
Yeah, and sushi.
So, what's the famous dish in your country, your city?
Oh, there's too many. We have too many cultures. There's
Mm-hmm.
11 official languages in my
Uh-huh.
country
Yeah.
and a lot of different cultures. So it's a lot of food. But anything with meat, anything
Meat.
with meat.
You
Yeah.
like? You like?
South Africans like meat. Yeah, we were big meat eaters.
Yeah. Actually, okay, okay. You
Yeah,
don't like?
I see 5 seconds left. I want to talk to you
Oh
again. I
yes.
hope
Bye
to speak to you
bye.
soon. Bye,
Nice
Saida.
to meet you.
You too.